Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your pull requests. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here I'm on my uh, repository, and from here I have created a new commit, and basically here we can start creating a pull request. So here if we go to the branches and we go to the main, we will be able to see that we can compare uh, and create a pull request. So basically here is able to merge, and we can choose any branch, etc. And here I'm just going to click on create a pull request. So now a pull request will be created, and let's see our open uh, pull request. It seems that I didn't click, and here I'm just going to click pull request, and now a pull request has been added. Now you will be able to start editing on the pull request or updating its status. So here it is open. Now you will be able to start seeing the conflicts. So basically there is no conflicts in the base branch, which is good. And now you can see in the review the comments. So here I'm just going to see here you need here you have an error, for example, and basically we'll have a conversation with the developer. And after that, after you finish in your conversation and that you have everything reviewed, you can click on finish your review, and that will update your and this will update the pull request. And basically you will be just reviewing the pull request, see any other changes. As you can see, this is just the history or the conversation. You can see all the commits that has been done in this pull request, and at the end you will be needing to approving this pull request. And basically this really depends on any if there is any problem or any permissions, you will be able either to approve the pull request, because it really depends on the root sets for this branch, etc. And at the end, you will need just to merge the pull request, or you will need just to close this pull request. And as you can see, it is closed and disapproved. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.